Hi viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way, you are in the right place. In this video, we will learn 1. What are the principles of the double entry system in accounting? And 2. Which books of account are maintained under the double entry system? Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting regular updates. So let's get started. What are the principles of the double entry system in accounting? Double entry system is a modern and scientific accounting system. The double entry system is better than any other accounting system. The principles of the double entry system are as follows. 1. An important feature of the double entry system is that each transaction will have two sides, one is debit and the other is credit. 2. There is one giver and one receiver for each transaction in the double entry system. 3. The amount of debit and credit is always equal in every transaction. 4. Each transaction is stored separately according to their classification as it is stored in a double entry system, which gives precise results. 5. The double entry system is a scientific method. 6. Owners and companies are considered as two separate artificial entities in a double entry system. Books of account are maintained under the double entry system. Under the double entry system in accounting, following books of account are maintained. 1. Journal. 2. Purchase journal. 3. Sales journal. 4. Purchase return journal. 5. Sales return journal. 6. Cash receipt journal. 7. Cash payment journal. 8. Journal paper. 9. Ledger. I think at the end of the video, you have learned what are the principles of the double entry systems in accounting, and which books of account are maintained under the double entry system. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and share. For more information, you can also visit our official website www.everythingaboutakcounting.info. Thanks for watching.